My name's Jamie Burrows. I farm in partnership with my father David as CI and DT Burrows, based here just outside St Albans in Hertfordshire. I'm a third generation. My grandparents moved to the family farm in 1928. We own 160 acres and then we contract farm with a neighbour, 2,500 acres altogether. We've got about 200 acres of grass and the rest of it's cereals. Part of our contracting we do on top of the contract farming is we look after all the open spaces for the Woodland Trust at their Heartwood Forest site, and we also have all our paddocks. We've got about 100 horses either at livery with us or in the riding school, and all of the paddocks and the open spaces at Heartwood are all done with the Cyclone. So we purchased the Major Cyclone in February this year. It replaced a batwing and an offset flail. Both machines weren't very old, but were really disappointing. I looked on the internet and I looked at the conditions in the videos that this machine was being used in, and I thought if it could take that kind of vegetation, it would do a good job with us. I like the even spread of cut, the low horsepower requirement, the galvanised finish. You know, when it gets washed, it's not going to rust the paintwork like it would on other machines. Maintenance, grease it up and away you go. There's not a lot to it. It just seems to be built very well, and let's be honest about it, most farm machinery that comes out of Ireland is built like a brick outhouse. So far the reliability's been outstanding. It's been on various different tractors, had different operators. It's very straightforward to use. The guarding on it is so much simpler and better than we had on the previous machines. The dealer experience was quite a unique one. I rang them up and said, I found this topper and this is what I want, and you're a major dealer, so can you find it for me? Tuckwells were very helpful and got it in no time. If I had to sum up the Major Cyclone in 2 words, I'd say simple and bulletproof. We've only had the Cyclone since February, but it's become a vital cog in the wheel of our business, and I'd recommend it to anybody.